In this video I'm going to show you how to set a timer on your camera on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your camera and there tap here at the top on that small arrow to bring up that menu, and here at the very right there is a timer icon. If I tap on that, I can switch between three options. First is timer off, it's current option, and then you can switch between 3 seconds or 10 seconds of timer. I'll select 3 seconds. Here you see at the top the icon that says us that now timer is set to 3 seconds. And now if I tap here on record button, here I see the countdown 3, 2, 1, and then that picture was taken. So let's go back to the camera, and to disable the timer mode, make the same action, tap on arrow, tap on timer, and here select off. That's how it works. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.